How to fix the Epic Games app crashing on your mobile. To fix this issue, simply long press on the application and tap on the app info icon. Then simply scroll down to the storage section and tap on it. You'll find your cache option right over here, and at the end tap on clear cache and head back. And just beside uninstall there is a force stop icon. Tap on it and tap on OK. Now simply close the application. Then try to look for an update on Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for the application. Now tap on the application and see if there is an update button. If there is an update button, simply tap on it to get the latest version installed. And for future use, tap on the vertical dots and enable auto update by tapping on it, and it will be enabled. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi is very strong. Go to the navigation bar and toggle on airplane mode on. Then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and toggle it off to reset your Wi-Fi network. And if your Wi-Fi is still slow, turn on your mobile data. And finally, if this doesn't fix, try a clean reinstall. Tap on uninstall, and after your app is installed, try to install the application again and then try to open the app and your problems will be fixed. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.